In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from OpenSea. By the end, you'll understand how to confirm a sale on OpenSea and where to go to actually move your funds out. Start by opening your browser and heading to the OpenSea homepage. This is your starting point for anything related to your account activities and sales. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner for the profile icon. Hover your mouse over that icon to reveal your profile options. This is a quick way to get to your personal dashboard without hunting through menus. Next, click Profile. Your profile page is where OpenSea organizes your items, collections, and recent activity. Think of it as your control center. From here, you can see what you listed, what sold, and any offers or transfers tied to your account. Now, click the Activity tab. This view shows a timeline of what's happened with your account. If you recently sold an NFT, you should see an entry indicating a completed sale. If you want to focus your view, use the available filters to narrow to sales. Give it a moment if you're expecting a recent update. Blockchain transactions sometimes take a little time to finalize. If you see sale or a similar completed status with the correct item and amount, that means your funds have been released to your connected wallet. Here's the important part. OpenSea doesn't hold your money like a bank. Proceeds go directly to your crypto wallet. That's why the final step is to go to your wallet to withdraw there. Open your wallet application and look for its send, transfer, or cash out feature. Depending on your wallet, you might send crypto to an exchange to convert to your local currency, or use a direct cash out option if your wallet supports bank withdrawals. Before you move anything, double check that you're on the correct network, confirm you have enough balance to cover network fees, and verify the destination address if you're sending funds elsewhere. If you prefer to reduce volatility, you can swap to a stable coin inside your wallet before withdrawing, then proceed with your transfer. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Always use official sites and apps, watch for gas fees during busy times, and keep records of your sale and withdrawal for your own tracking and any tax reporting needs. If a sale doesn't appear as completed in your Activity tab, wait for confirmations to finish before attempting a withdrawal. That's it. Confirm the sale on OpenSea, then withdraw through your wallet. Thanks for watching and happy selling.